Hello, this is Travis Husinger from the University of Colorado. In today's meditation, we're going to do mindfulness of the breath, and we'll be doing it with a little bit more silence. This means that there will be about 30 seconds of silence between each instruction. If you feel like you need more guidance than that, you can click on the button above that says less silence, more instruction to listen to a guided meditation that will give you more instruction. Remember to make sure to have 10 minutes of free time to practice this meditation. I'll be guiding you very loosely through the sensations of the breath. In these periods of silence, just continue to practice feeling the sensations and returning back to the sensations of the breath whenever you become distracted. So we'll start by finding a comfortable seated position where you'll stay alert, awake, and yet comfortable over the next 10 minutes. And as you sit, notice the area where your hips and your feet are making contact with the floor. Feeling your weight and gravity. Expanding your awareness to the entire body. We'll shift the awareness to the feeling of the breath in the chest or the abdomen. Noticing the expansion, contraction of the breath. Slight stretch and expansion on the inhale. And release on the exhale. If you find that your mind has wandered, gently come back to the sensations of the breath. Notice where one breath ends and the next begins. The pause after the exhale, before the inhale. noticing the rate of your breath without trying to change, and have a deeper breath, just noticing how fast are you breathing right now. You can notice any areas, chest or belly, noticing if they feel tight or open. Just being curious without trying to change or fix anything. Your mind may tell you that you need to do other things, or that you need to think about other things, but just slowly bring the attention back to the sensations of the breath. You can notice the temperature of the breath, if it feels cooler coming in, warmer coming out. Noticing the whole process of the breath as it enters in through the nose, deep into the chest, belly, and back out. Take a few more breaths. And we'll begin to actively move as we end the meditation, blinking the eyes, moving your fingers and hands, returning to an active mindset. So thank you for listening to this guided mindfulness meditation. Complete the questions on the next page, and we'll continue our training tomorrow.